Hey guys, we're live at 5:41 in what I believe is the inaugural battle here in Air Jordan Battles. I'm going to copy our list of 25 spots. We're running a mini for Gary's Jordan jersey. Top four. Oh, there it is. It's a nice one. Top four win spots in the main. Looks like last place gets a free spot as well. So we got 5 winners. Going to paste them in there. There they are, 1 through 25. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least 5. We got an 8. So we're golden. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Matt Johnson, round 1. Mitch, 2. Zach, 3. Dustin in the top spot for round 4. Eric, round 5. Jay, 6. Steven in the top spot for our next to last round, round 7. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winners are Steven, Matt Johnson, Dustin, and Jay. And in last place, looks like Eric ran. So congratulations, fellas. Here's our verification code. TNSWHN. There's our winners. Meaning I am done at 5:42 p.m. Eastern time here in Pennsylvania. There it is. One more time, here's the official results. Congrats to the winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks.